a few of the other projects here at the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology. KAIST is the MIT of South Korea, with over 10,000 students and over 1,000 researchers, a tiny fraction of whom Jen Copestake and I have been visiting to find out what's going on behind these closed doors.
Here at the Urban Robotics Lab at KAIST, researchers are developing machines to work in unusual places. We've seen a lot of drones here on Click, but never actually one that can climb a wall.
Boy, it's so loud!
And powerful. The drone sticks to the wall with the thrust generated by its 4 rotors, then climbs around the wall using its wheels. It has a camera on the bottoms it can use to inspect difficult-to-reach places, like wind turbines, or it could be used to clean windows on tall buildings with some adaptation. This drone requires no expensive infrastructure to work, and the team says if it falls off, it can easily fly itself back on to where it's meant to be. Right. I'm just gonna go brush my hair. Spen's outside with more urban robotics.
Here's a problem you didn't know Korea had. Jellyfish. They're a nightmare for the fishing industry. They cause about $230 million worth of damage a year. Basically, if they poison a fish, you can't then eat it. Jellyfish also cause $70 million worth of damage to power plants by blocking their inlet pipes. Well, here is the solution, and it's not for the faint-hearted. So if you have a weak stomach, go and do something else for a few minutes. Because these are jellyfish hunting robots. And when they find the jellyfish, they shred them. It's a serious enough problem for the Korean government to fund the project. The robots themselves behave like a swarm. One robot is the leader and the others follow in formation. The machines are fitted with cameras which guide them into position, netting the jellyfish and then doing the bit you probably don't want to see. So here it is. Yeah. Okay, let's deal with the main thing that's going through your mind right now. Is this cruel?
I think it is not cruel because the jellyfish doesn't have brain and they are just some kind of plankton, and we can shred them because they are just like the plant.
At the moment, these things are guided to the general area of a swarm by jellyfish detecting buoys. However, soon these guys are going to have aerial support. A drone will fly above the sea and use image recognition to spot jellyfish swarms and then instruct these guys on where to go so the mincing can begin. Now, leaving what is essentially a venomous jellyfish smoothie in the sea isn't such a great idea ecologically. So the next version of these chaps will catch the swarm in a cage and take them to shore, where they'll be minced and used in cosmetics. It's a hard life being a jellyfish.